Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a charming gift idea that's perfect for celebrating those special friendships in your life. We're talking about the PRSTENLY Best Friend Wind Chime, a thoughtful choice for birthdays, Christmas, or just to show appreciation. Let's start with what makes this wind chime stand out. It's beautifully crafted with high-quality materials, designed to endure the outdoors while creating a soothing melody. The modern, elegant design ensures it complements any indoor or outdoor space effortlessly. What I love about this wind chime are the details. It comes with everything you need for easy installation, including a handy hook. The painted finish not only adds durability but also enhances its aesthetic appeal. Whether you hang it in a garden, on a porch, or even indoors, it adds a touch of tranquility to any environment. Imagine surprising your best friend with this gift. It's not just a wind chime. It's a heartfelt gesture that resonates every time the wind gently plays its tune. Perfect for those moments of reflection or simply enjoying the peaceful ambiance it creates. To put it into perspective, compared to similar products on the market, the PRSTENLY wind chime stands out for its blend of style, durability, and the emotional connection it fosters. It's not just a decor piece, it's a symbol of friendship and gratitude. In conclusion, if you're looking for a meaningful gift that's both practical and heartfelt, look no further than the PRSTENLY Best Friend Wind Chime. Whether it's a birthday, Christmas, or simply a spontaneous gesture, this wind chime is sure to make your friend feel truly appreciated. With its elegant design and enduring quality, it's a gift that keeps on giving. Thank you for joining me today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews of products that make a difference. Until next time, happy gifting and take care.